Take a slow, gentle breath in and release it softly. Again, inhale calmly and exhale fully. Allow your body to rest. Allow your breath to settle. Allow your awareness to turn inward. Healing does not require effort. It unfolds through safety, rest, and gentle attention. In a moment, I will count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you will enter a deeply restorative state, where the body relaxes, the nervous system settles, and renewal becomes possible. Let's begin. 10. Breathing slows. 9. The body softens. 8. Muscles release. 7. Tension melts away. 6. Awareness moves inward. 5. Halfway now, deeply relaxed. 4. The body feels supported. 3. The nervous system calms. 2. A sense of safety forms. 1. You enter deep restorative awareness. In this gentle state, notice the support beneath you. The ground holds you. The space around you is quiet. Your body recognizes safety. Safety allows healing. Repeat inwardly, I am safe. My body can relax. Healing is allowed. Now notice any areas of holding. You do not force release. You simply allow it to soften. Resistance dissolves when it is no longer needed, and your body knows what to let go of. Repeat softly, I release what no longer serves me. My body softens naturally. Ease replaces tension. Now imagine a gentle wave moving throughout your body. Warm, steady, restorative. This wave brings nourishment to your muscles, tissues, and body systems. Restoration begins at the deepest level. Repeat inwardly. Restoration flows through me. My body receives what it needs. Renewal is gentle and steady. Now bring awareness to the smallest level. Each cell responding to rest. Each cell receiving support. Your body remembers its blueprint for balance. Healing unfolds quietly. Repeat slowly. My body renews itself. Cells restore and rebalance. Healing is ongoing. Now feel your breath steady. Signals of calm spread through your system. The body shifts into repair mode. Your heart rate steadies. Your muscles soften. Your system resets. Repeat gently. My nervous system is calm. Balance returns. My body knows how to heal. Now imagine moving through your day with more ease, with less discomfort, with quiet resilience. Healing integrates into daily life. Your body feels supported and capable. Repeat inwardly. Healing supports my life. I move with greater ease. Restoration strengthens me. Now allow these truths to settle deeply. My body has an innate capacity to heal. Rest and safety support restoration. Healing continues beyond this moment. These beliefs become familiar, comforting, reassuring. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 10. With each number, you will return gently, rested, supported, and restored. 1. Awareness begins to rise. 2. Breath deepens. 3. gentle energy returns. 4. The body feels present. 5. Balanced and calm. 6. Awareness expands outward. 7. You feel grounded and steady. 8. Eyes feel lighter. 9. Take a deep breath in and out. 10. Eyes open, fully awake, calm, supported, carrying healing and restoration into your day.